Ernesto Saw finally gives up his 15-year-old jeepney in exchange for this brand new electric-powered version. He says gone are the days when he had to pay fines for smoke belching. His new unit is emission-free. Besides that, he has a fixed take-home pay in contrast to his income from the old jeepney.
Halimbawa, yung driver namin ay magkakaroon ng magkakasakit, yung anak niya ay magkakasakit, nasira yung sasakyan, nahuli yung sasakyan, lahat yun nagiging abala sa amin. Pero ngayon, meron na kaming fixed income dahil nga ang mga jeepney namin ay mga luma na, so talagang marami na siyang, lagi na siyang mahuhuli. Meron lang halimbawang basag na isang ilaw, 5,000 na kagad yun. Dahil matanda na nga ito, talagang nagbubuga na talaga ito ng mga usok. Sila ang magpapatakbo ng fleet management, sila mean to say, sila ang bahala sa mga pyesa, sila ang bahala sa mga drivers. Pero ang maibibigay lang namin ay yung aming mga membro na driver na siyang magmamaneho din sa mga modern jeepney.
Saw is one of 13 jeepney operators in Las Piñas City who have switched to e-jeepneys. The e-jeepney manufacturer has agreed to provide them units with no down payment. They just have to pay the manufacturer 500 pesos a day.
They don't need to worry about petrol, they don't need to worry about maintenance or oil or anything else.
The manufacturer says the e-jeepney is designed for a comfortable ride. There are fans for every passenger and a charging port in case your cell phone dies. It takes 3 to 4 hours to charge each jeepney, which can travel up to 200 kilometers. The transport regulator says it aims to modernize jeepneys by 2020. For now, they are studying the possible routes that need franchise for e-jeepneys. And for those who worry about the phase-out of the iconic jeepneys, LTFRB Chairman Martin Delgra says they welcome iconic jeepney designs as long as the unit follows standards for the convenience of commuters.
If you want to have that iconic look of a jeepney, wala pong problema yan kung sino yung gagawa niyan, so long as they are up to environmental and technical standards. Ibig sabihin po, bago. So, ibig sabihin, pagdating sa engine, pwedeng electric jeep, pwedeng Euro 4. Pagdating naman sa specification, hindi ka na yuyuko pagpapasok ka kasi 1.7 meters po ang taas, no, ng floor to ceiling. At saka yung sakayan babaan na sa gilid.
For now, the e-jeepneys will be seen around Las Piñas and passengers have to shell out 9 pesos for the minimum fare. Caroline Bonquin, CNN Philippines.